333 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 333. Therefore, 333 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 10.92519685035 feet. So, in other words, 333 centimeters equals 10.92519685035 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.